Hello everyone, greetings. So I'm here with the new command that is multi-section solid. So how can we use this command in CATIA? Let's see this. So before using this command, so let's create the plane. I'm creating a reference plane. Suppose I'm creating it around, making it 100. Same way we'll create the plane on the reverse side. Okay, so let's create a profile over here. So I'm creating a rectangle here. And select this plane. And now this plane and sketching over here. So we created these three profiles over here. Let's select this plane. Uh, this plane. Sketching over here. So I'm selecting profile like this one. So selecting this point and this point and making it to coincidence. Then selecting this point and this point, making it again coincidence, and this point with this point, making it coincidence. So I hope you got this. So let's select the command multi-section solid. So here you see there are multiple options in this commands are there. So we have this one is the profile section. So we have to select all the profiles in this section. So we'll select these profiles, and this is a guide curve. We have to select the guide curve. Then next we have to define the spine. Then we have to define the coupling modes. The coupling modes we have there are four types of options are there: ratio, tangency, then curvature, and vertices. Then the fourth tab we have relimited section. Then we have the smooth parameters that are used in the industries mainly, because we can't change these parameters uh, accordingly, because the use of for these parameters generally occurs in the industry, and there's some complex types of shapes are there. So generally we use this one. Okay, so let's click on this first one. Click on the profile, the first profile, the second profile, and the third profile. So click on the preview here. So as you see, we got this profile over there. So that is the first profile and multi-section edit. I'm double clicking on it. Suppose you're watching this, getting the profile in the single way. So let's say I want the shape in this way. Click on this curve and click on the preview. So you will get the profile according to this way. Click on the OK. I hope this is clear. So see, I just draw one profile only there. So, but if we, according to your need, you can draw the multiple guide curves according to here. Like first guide curve, you have to create the plane over here. Then you can draw guide curve here in different direction. Then second one, the lower one, and the third one in this on this, and fourth one on this. So you can draw the diagram like this. So let's say I'm deleting this one. Okay, so I don't want to delete arrangement. Okay, let's say I'm selecting that plane again. I'm sketching over here. So I'm creating a line over here. So let's say I'm drawing something like, so this point and this point, I'm making it uh, this point and line. Make it to coincidence. That is done, and this point, we will get a coincidence. Exit the workbench now. As you can see, the profile is in the middle. So now we'll click on the multi-section solid, select the profiles over there, and the third, wait the second one, and the third one. Click on the preview. So I got an error here. Let's see the closing point error because replacing it up to here. So now I'll move to the spine tab here. Okay, so spine we have to, I'm selecting that middle one. Okay, so click on the preview. So as you can see, according to the spine, the profile gets its shape. So I hope it is clear. Now click on the OK button. So you can see, according to the profile, the its shape is changed. And double clicking over here, see that is moving according to this one only. Okay, means the limit is up to this profile and up to this profile. Okay, but I want that it will move onto the complete line. So move to the relimitation tab. Now click on the relimited on start section. Click on the preview. So as you can see that it will starting from only the starting point of the spine. And uncheck the end section also to move to the end point. So I hope this is clear. You can define this like this. So let's double click over here. So I hope that guide, spine, array limitation is clear. I will move to the coupling mode over here. So let's delete this one. Should I delete the complete all the profile? Delete and delete. Okay, so let's say uh, I'm clicking this profile and making a plane over here that is 100. Again, I'm making the plane at the 100 and to run the reverse direction. So let's click on the plane over here. I'm making a sketch. So I'm making a circle over here. Now select this plane again, sketch over here. Now making a rectangle over here. Now selecting the third plane, sketch. So here I'm drawing a polygon. So we draw three sections over here. So as you can see, the three profiles are there now. Let us move on the party section solid over here. So select the three profiles, first, second, and third. As you can see, there are three closing point in other direction. So first one is the direction, second one here, and the third one here. So let's click on the coupling over here. The first option is ratio. Okay, so when you click on the ratio, you can click on the preview. So as you can see that if in the we talk about this one polygon, the polygon have the 6 vertices. Okay, I will talk about the rectangle. Rectangle have 4 vertices. But if we talk about the circle, circle have no vertices because we are three different profiles. So as you can see, the shape is generated like this one. Okay, that is the deformation shape is generated. So the ratio mode we can get the shape like this. So let's delete this one. Okay, let's say I'm creating some points over circle. So how can we get the circle over here? Let's click this point, equidistant point over here. Click the circle, and I need 6.876, and click on the OK. So we got the 6 point over here. Now for the rectangle, uh, so you can create the same point by using the rectangle also. Okay, you can create the point and rectangle also, or you can create the point by using the point distance over here. So let's click on the point. Let's say I'm selecting this line, and And that is the point we created over here. Click OK. Same way this one, and OK. So now let's click on the multi-section solid, because now you can see there are 6 points are there, and this is having the points also, and this is having the 6 point also. Let's select the profiles. Okay, so click on the coupling. Let's see, I'm using the tangency then curvature option. So now we have to define all the points. Like say I'm defining coupling, right click and add. So we'll add the coupling so that the shape will be generated like this. Click on the first point, then second point and the third point. Same way, right click, add coupling, first point, second point, and this will be my third point. Again right click, add coupling, first point, second point, and third point. Same way I'll do this for this, and this one, and this one. As you can see, the closing point direction, this is the 1, 2, and 3. Click on the preview. So impossible to homogenize the section. So let's check the closing point direction again. See this one, and this one. Let's say I'm changing this to over here. Let's click on the preview. Okay, so I hope I got the shape according to this one, tangent and curvature. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Now we have the another option, that is uh, vertices. So if we talk about the vertices, let's say I'm deleting this one. To talk about the vertices, we created these points, but these are not the vertices. Vertices is something like this one that divides the line. Okay, so like say we can have the 1, 2 vertices are there. Same way with the rectangle. Let's double click on it, circle. So here in the circle, let's select all the point and delete all the points. So I will use the point cursor over here. I'm selecting all the point, delete. So how can we use the point? Let's selecting that line and this one, and give the angle that is 30 degrees. So we will rotate this line. We want 5 instances. Select the line and select the base point and select the angle is 60 degree. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will divide the line. So for dividing, select the trim and use this option. Now select this one. So as you can see, that is divided. So we'll double click over here. So in this way we'll divide. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that is divided into 2 parts. So we will do one thing. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So for this one. So select the rectangle over here. Now select the point cursor and delete these points. So draw a line over here. Again use this option with this one and this one. So as you can see, let's delete this point. So that is divided, and this is we have already 6. So let's click on this multi-section solid. Select all the 3 profiles. So you can see the closing point direction is different. Let's change it to here. Now select the coupling and select the vertices. Click on the preview. So as you can see, the vertices option are automatically done. So in this way, we can define this. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please like the video and please click on the subscribe button. Also click on the notification icon so that you will get the latest update. Thank you.